DVLA just made classic electric conversions easier. Here's what it means for you. Big news from the DVLA for classic car owners and electric conversion enthusiasts. In-depth details to follow on August 26. We're Kinghorn Electric Vehicles, and we specialize in converting classic cars to zero-emission electric vehicles. Our goal is to preserve their character while making them clean, quiet, and future-proof. Thanks to a major policy update from the DVLA, converting or restoring your classic car just became simpler and safer. Here's what we believe has changed, and why it matters for you. Restorations no longer need DVLA notification. And if you're restoring your car to its original working condition, you no longer need to notify the DVLA. This includes replacing worn-out parts with like-for-like components. As long as the car looks the same and the V5C logbook details don't change, you're free to carry on. Less risk of triggering inspections or losing your registration number. Modified vehicles will find it easier to keep their original identity. If your vehicle has been structurally modified, including converted from petrol to electric, it should now keep its original registration and VIN. That could mean no more automatic Q plates or new chassis numbers just because of a conversion. Hopefully the only requirement is to inform the DVLA that the car has been modified. They'll then mark your V5C logbook as modified. Pre-2001 electric conversions are now eligible for electric tax class. If your converted vehicle was first registered after 2001, you can now apply for the electric taxation class. That could mean a lower road tax cost for your electric conversion. It looks like you can reapply if you've previously lost a registration. And if your registration was removed under old DVLA rules, you can now reapply under the new guidance. There's no time limit for this. DVLA expects a high volume of applications, so processing may take a few weeks. This is a big win for owners, restorers, and the electric conversion industry. The new policy should protect the identity and value of classic vehicles, even when modernized. What this means at Kinghorn Electric Vehicles, we can now convert classics to electric with even more confidence. Less risk, clearer rules, and preserved registration numbers. Our customers get more freedom, and our industry gets more stability. If you're considering a classic electric conversion, now is a great time to start. Got a classic car you'd like to future-proof? Get in touch with us at Kinghorn Electric Vehicles. Until next time, keep charging ahead.